everyone. So today I'm going to show you one of the most simplest and easiest ways that you can adopt to change your text from a column to different rows. Now, whenever I know, as I've had the experience that whenever you're working in an office and collecting emails or data, one of the most difficult things is the setting of the data into different components so that it is easier for you to recognize and use. And sometimes this conversion of data from a column to different rows is one of the most difficult tasks you can have. So today I'm going to show you how you can convert data from a column to different rows. So first of all, we would open up our Excel, and as I've already entered some data into the worksheet as a column, I would click on this data up to the point at which till which I have something written, and I'll press Ctrl C. As I've pressed Ctrl C, it gets copied, and then click anywhere that you want to start off pasting this data, and right click over here, and you'd see some different options: paste, values, formulas, and transpose. You click on the transpose button, and all of your data has been converted to different rows. From one column to different columns and from a column to a row. That it couldn't get more simpler than this. Now you can do all your manipulations with that data and other things, etc. One thing to remember is that if you cut this off and then paste it, it won't work actually. So the only option that you have is you have to copy it and then paste it over here, and later on delete this text by the delete button on your keypad, on your keyboard. So that was it from today. Hope to see you soon in the next videos of mine.